Okay, I'm cooking my first meal here in my RV life living. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have. I got some pinto beans. I got me a steak. I ain't feel like putting it in the oven. And I got me some collard greens. And I got some cornbread. And let's open up this fridge right here. Okay, and I got some corn. So I'm gonna fix up my plate. My wife done bought me some meat and steaks and shrimp and some Lunchables and all kind of stuff. As you can see, I'm trying to get it organized here. And let's see what we got in this cabinet. Okay, I got a lot of snacks. Some noodles just in case. Some canned vegetables. Some rice. So I think I'm pretty much set for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. So I'm gonna show you my plate when I finish. Got to clean this stuff up. My wife told me to keep it clean. I was gonna use the room back there as an office since nobody else is here. I'm gonna just use this desk right here in the office. And as an office, I got my computer, my printer, and right here, this is where I'll be doing most of my eating at. I can sit in my recliner, recline back, and watch TV. And it got the surround sound, so I'm set up. So I'm gonna show you my meal here in a few minutes. All right. Okay, here's my meal. I got off work. You see my plate right there. Now I got a ribeye steak. If you guys know me, I got to have my collard greens. And I got some pinto beans and some cornbread, and my sriracha sauce. I love this sriracha sauce. I ain't have time to go get no beer, so I guess I just drink a brisk tea. This is my RV living here on the pipeline. And you guys just stay tuned. I'll show you how to operate a lot of this stuff. I got to read some of the manuals, but I'm gonna sit back and eat and watch something on television. All right, have a great day.